Meanwhile, voter registration proceeded without any hiccups in the volatile township in Lichtenburg, that's in the northwest, I beg your pardon. It's after unhappy ANC members threatened to take action if the party did not address their concerns about candidate lists. There were violent protests in that area 2 weeks ago over the alleged manipulation of these very lists. Our reporter, Bafedile Moerane, has more.
The situation in Blydeville township in Lichtenburg is now somewhat calmer than it was last week. The ANC leadership found itself introducing 2 councillor candidates during its door-to-door campaign. This follows allegations of candidates' list manipulation. But the ANC NEC convener in the northwest, Bafedile, says the matter is currently being resolved.
Now, it has now been verified to us that a community meeting took place, and then the reports has been sent, and then no one had indicated that these are the results of the community meeting. So I'll be taking that matter soon tonight to the ANC National Election Committee, led by Comrade Khalima Mtlante, to say we just discovered this matter, so that tomorrow, as they clean and finalize and sign off, we could then see if we cannot manage it, because there will be evidence coming that indicates that there was a community meeting. Here's a register.
The local leaders are, however, happy with the intervention.
So far as community of Blydeville Ward 4, we know that we have a candidate that we believe in, that we believe there will be change, there will be service delivery.
Bafedile also went on a door-to-door campaign in the area where issues of service delivery are a huge concern.
Di dasbina di tsamaya go sokola le ka metsi a tsamaya ha rra botsa ka utlwa go te dipeipi di thubegile re kgona go dula bo maltsatsi le bomatsho metsi a seo ra sokola le ka metlakase mo gona le metlakase tshwantse tsena ene ja no yana ke nako a dithobo ba tlile go tla mo gorona ba raketsa gore ba tlile go re direla ba re direla eng morago ba sa dire dio tse re etsa go vouta.
Meanwhile, voter registration went as planned in the province. The IEC says it managed to open all stations on the second day, following some disruption in 8 stations on the first day.
Today is much better than yesterday, because today we opened all our stations, whereas yesterday we could not open 2, but altogether we had 8 delayed openings in the morning. Yesterday we had a total of 50,352 interactions. In other words, the number of people who came to our stations. And I was pleasantly surprised, because I did not expect that high a number, given that we also have online registration. So we're happy.
The IEC says it has registered an impressive number of new voters, particularly among young people. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Bafedile Moerane in Lichtenburg.